So let's work through the solution. First thing we need to decide is what rows can we use the summing through sheets formula and where can't we. So we can see number of units, total rental, etc. We know that we want to add these up. So let's do that first. So I'm going to say equals sum, open brackets. Click on the first building on the cell I want. Go back to beginning. Then I hold the shift key down. And I click on the last sheet. Close my brackets. So now I've got that answer, and what I can do is I can copy and paste it. And because I know these are exactly the same structure, I can actually just copy and paste them over here. We then need to work on these other calculations. So it says here average rental per unit. I can't add up the individual ones, but I can calculate it by saying the total rental divided by the number of units. I can copy and paste that. Average OPEX per unit, same thing. What are operating costs? Divide them by the number of units. And I can copy and paste that. And now once we have these numbers, we can calculate the rental escalation factor. So the way we're going to do this, in this case, is we're going to say equals that divided by the prior year minus 1. Gives us the 6%. And we can copy it. And as it turns out, because of the way we've set it up, to do the same thing for the OPEX escalation, I can just copy and paste it. And it gives us the set of numbers. We now have got it set up, which means we can now move buildings in and out of this area, and it will automatically affect all these calculations.